Starting my own business was always a dream of mine. I knew since I went to SNU that that's what I wanted to do. That's why I pursued, my BSCMN, got my, degree in management as well, not just culinary. My SNU experience was great. I did a lot on and off campus. I lived all over on the SNU campus my first 2 years and then moved off campus, so I got to experience the Manchester community and the SNU community as well. So I think I got the best of both worlds. It was a great experience. A lot of great professors and chefs that I met there, Chef Connell, Flanagan, Pasternak, Krista Klue, Chef Owens. They were all huge influences for me for today, where I'm at now. I love making cakes, any type of custom cake, wedding cakes, anything that's just different, not your typical birthday cake with, roses on it. Love doing the different stuff, the abstract things. Most enjoyable part of my job is seeing the customers when they get their custom cake or whatever it is they ordered, see the smile on their face, and when they tell me that it not only looks good but it tastes good. It's the whole full circle of just pleasing the customer and making sure that they got what they were looking for. That's the most rewarding part of the job for sure. My advice for any SNU student right now: have your vision and stick to it. Don't let anybody deter you or defer you. Just stay true to it, and eventually you'll get there. It might be a tough, long way, but the reward at the end is oh so satisfying.